This is a valley bottom right in the middle of the town, and paddy. It was a paddy field. It's got cultivation has been abandoned, and along the water channel at the valley bottom normally there's a water channel where water flows. So that part along the water channel, some of these Pandanus are there. So this is a waterlogged kind of place which has maybe 4 months in a year there will be full there will be water, some half feet of water and slush and all. And these Pandanus, they have some aerial roots, somewhat like those mangrove trees and all. So they do well in this kind of place. And India has some maybe half a dozen varieties of Pandanus, and this is one of them. It's seeded, fruit has formed, so I thought let me cover it. I'm not sure whether that seed is edible or not. So like a typical valley bottom, it's full of lush grass, and there's one more of that fruit here. It looks like jackfruit only, and quite big also. It's almost maybe 1 foot long, quite heavy and solid. And the whole plant is thorny. The stem, the fruit also is quite, thorns are quite sharp. Pineapple type. Maybe it's related to pineapple because the overall shape also is having that pineapple look. So that's how it looks. That seed, a fruit. Very beautiful. And the leaves also have these small thorns. So they are a good border plant. They'll give some protection from intruders and all, and it particularly for valley bottoms it's excellent. It forms clumps. So if you want to save money on fencing and all in a valley bottom, this is a good species. You can line it up. It will become quite a wide patch, and it's quite easy to clear also if you would, when you get fed up of it or it's overgrown. I'll show the aerial roots also. It's a bit difficult to go too close because of those thorns. So there you can see that's the aerial root. So when there is submergence, it can those roots can breathe. So it can deal with that water logging and lack of oxygen and all.